Hey guys, today we're making better than takeaway Mongolian beef. I actually found this recipe while scrolling on TikTok on a channel called Tiffany Cooks, and it was really good. It was really easy, really cheap, and better than takeaway. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is marinate our beef. So to our beef strips, I'm just going to add cornstarch, baking soda, an egg white, and then some cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine, or I've used cooking sake because that's what I had. And then we're going to go ahead and mix that all about until everything is combined and the beef strips are all covered in that cornstarch wine mixture. Then we're going to cover that and set it aside for 20 minutes. In a pan, we're then going to shallow fry that beef before we make our sauce, and I've just pan fried it in batches until it's nice and golden brown, and this meat done this way turns out so tender. I always wondered how the takeaways got their meat so tender, and this makes it taste exactly like you just got it from the takeaway, and for much less than what you're going to pay for your takeaway. So I just did it in batches and then I drained it off. Once all my beef was cooked, I removed the oil from the excess oil from the pan. I left about a tablespoon in there and then added my dried chilies, spring onion or green onion, whatever you call them, and my garlic. Don't forget, all the ingredients are down in the description. To make our sauce, we're then going to add our soy sauce, oyster sauce, and that's going to be followed with what looks like a lot of sugar, but trust the process. This makes the perfect Mongolian beef sauce. Also, with the dried chilies, if you don't like it really spicy, reduce the number of dried chilies that you put in there, or if you're serving it to kids, you can drop that back. Then we're going to let that thicken and add in our stir-fried beef. Mix that all about, get that nice and coated in your sauce, and the last thing you need to do once that is done is go ahead and serve it. We just served it with some plain white steamed rice, and that was Friday night dinner. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you go ahead and make it, and I'll see you next time.